If Japan could tell its story through two very different cities, Nagoya and Hiroshima would be perfect contrasts. One represents progress through industry and innovation, while the other symbolizes peace, memory, and resilience. Both are destinations worth discovering. But which city should you visit first? Nagoya, located in central Japan, is often called the country's manufacturing powerhouse. Home to Toyota's headquarters and a hub for global commerce, this city is modern, ambitious, and forward-looking. Yet beyond its reputation for industry, Nagoya has cultural treasures waiting for travelers. Nagoya Castle, with its golden shachoko ornaments, offers a glimpse into samurai history, while Atsuta Shrine, one of Shinto's most sacred sites, provides a quiet spiritual pause. Add in bustling shopping at OSU and savory local dishes like miso katsu and tebasaki wings, and you'll see that Nagoya is more than business, it's a vibrant mix of heritage and energy. Hiroshima, on the other hand, carries a global identity as the Peace City. Forever marked by the tragic events of 1945, Hiroshima has transformed into a beacon of resilience and reconciliation. The Peace Memorial Park and Museum invite reflection, while the atomic bomb dome stands as a haunting yet powerful reminder of the past. But Hiroshima isn't defined by tragedy alone, it's a lively, green city with a youthful spirit. Stroll along the Motoyasu River, enjoy Hiroshima-style okonomiyaki, or take a ferry to Miyajima Island to marvel at the iconic floating torii gate of Itsukushima Shrine. The mix of solemn history and uplifting beauty makes Hiroshima unlike any other place in Japan. Food becomes another dividing line. Nagoya leans toward bold, hearty flavors, rich miso sauces, crispy fried dishes, and satisfying noodles. Hiroshima offers something equally unforgettable, layered okonomiyaki, oysters fresh from the Seto Inland Sea, and a cuisine rooted in its coastal geography. Both cities tempt travelers with meals you'll remember long after your trip ends. When deciding between Nagoya and Hiroshima, think about the story you want to experience. Do you want to immerse yourself in Japan's modern energy, where innovation meets tradition? Then Nagoya is your match. Or do you want to walk through a city that balances deep remembrance with vibrant present-day culture? Then Hiroshima will move you in ways few places can. Of course, the ideal journey includes both. These two cities don't compete, they complement one another, offering different chapters of Japan's history and future. Nagoya shows the drive of progress, while Hiroshima teaches the strength of peace. Together, they reveal the heart of a nation. So, if you had the chance, would you explore the industrial dynamism of Nagoya, or the peaceful resilience of Hiroshima?